Hey everyone, Gil at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about pasta sauces. Now, a lot of people will stock a lot of pasta, especially spaghetti, since it's compact and doesn't take up a lot of room because there's no air holes in it like there's for macaroni and rotini or whatever. But whatever the pasta is you store, it tastes so much better when you got a nice pasta sauce to go on it. Now, when it comes to your pasta sauces, you can can your own, which is great, because that way you know how to do it and you can keep on adding to it year after year. And if you grow enough tomatoes and whatever else it is you need for your pasta sauces, perfect. Or you can go out and, buy canned food, canned sauces. However, I want to point this out. Unfortunately, a lot of manufacturers of pasta sauces add high fructose corn syrup to their pasta sauces. And some of you may go, oh, well, so what's about that? Just fructose corn syrup, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Well, high fructose corn syrup by several, medical personnel, they, have a very low opinion on it. We're not going to go much into it, but I know some of you want to know, you can check with Doc Bones and Nurse Amy at doomandbloom.net. And they've put out stuff, warning about the hazards of high fructose corn syrup. So make sure you get stuff that if you're buying it, that it does not have high fructose corn syrup. One of the ones I like to get is the classical brand that comes in the jar. Two reasons. One, it's a canning jar. It's an Atlas canning jar. You can use it again. Two, it's high fructose corn syrup free. So whatever it is you want to store, homemade, store-bought, store it. Start getting your supplies up and stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, skills, clothing, whatever it is you need so you can thrive. Why? Well, so you don't end up like this.